Seljalandsfoss is located in the south region in Iceland, by Route 1 and the road to Thorsmork. The waterfall is one of the most scenic and well-known waterfalls in Iceland. The waterfall drops 60 meters, 197 feet, and is part of the Seljalands River with its origin in the volcano glacier Eyjafjallajökull. It is possible to walk behind the waterfall. Let the pictures speak for themselves. We also recommend you see the waterfall Glufrabui that is in a walking distance from Seljalandsfoss. The waterfall is partially hidden in a small canyon, a magnificent experience. We hope you enjoyed this video. For more info, please check out our website. Have a fantastic time in Iceland. Thank you.